Christmas to you. It is 25 days of Christmas with Sabrina, the Mismatch crafter. It is day 14. It's light, guys. Can you tell? It is hard, solid, rectangle. Look at that. Santa checking his list. How many days do we got till Christmas? I don't know. I have to say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 days till Christmas Eve, guys. And guess what? One more day to enter our ornament. Let me get it. Christmas ornament challenge. You have one more day if you want to submit an ornament you made. Don't show anybody. Just make it and send it to Sabrina or myself, and you can be entered in to a giveaway voted by all our subbies for the one you like your favorite. That's how it's gonna work. Here we go. Dun-dun-dun-dun. So, day 14. Can you believe me? I believe it's already December 14th, and it's my grandfather's birthday. Happy birthday to my grandpa up in heaven. Happy birthday to you. Here we go. Yeah. So, let's see. Yep, it's pretty solid, guys. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Look at this. Autumn Acres Pumpkin Patch Apple Cider and Hayride. That is cool. I've not seen that one. Wow, I'm going to be set for fall next year. She got me the towel set. Now this, nice. This is awesome sauce. I figured it was a sign of some sort, but this is cool. Look at it. See, that it says Autumn Acres Pumpkin Patch. A red truck with some pumpkins in. Apple cider and hayrides in. Pumpkins. Oh, excuse me, not pumpkins. They're not pumpkins. They don't have faces. So, oh no, they're pumpkins, not jack-o'-lanterns. Oh my God, guys, I'm so tired. They are pumpkins because they're not jack-o'-lanterns. Because jack-o'-lanterns have faces, pumpkins do not. My granddaughter Allie tells me that all the time, and I still screwed it up on here. Yeah, see? Yeah, it's called age, guys, and COVID brain. I have it bad. And I like that if it has this, like, old wood grainy look, you know, like old barn look. You know, with the paint coming off. I like it. I like it. Thank you so much, Sabrina. I love it. 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 So, alright, guys. Thanks for watching. December 14th, guys. Man, I can't believe it's December 14th. What am I doing the next few days? Oh, we're going to go see Santa on the 16th. And then we have Nana and Papa's annual PJ slumber party exchange. But we didn't exchange this year because money was a little tight because Sam and Scott both had COVID, and you don't get paid being homesick with COVID. So a week and a half with no paycheck. So we decided just to exchange the funky pajamas that we've received in the last couple years. And we don't know because Diamond's neighbor's wrapping them up and she's putting a number on them. And then we're going to draw out of a fishbowl or a hat or whatever. And I could be wearing a giant bunny, or a giant moose, or a turkey, or an elf. What else is there? I'm missing a few. A cow, which wouldn't bother me because I wear that all the time. A chipmunk. Yeah, that's another one. I don't remember. There's like me and Dem were looking. I think we counted 15 different onesie weird character pajamas. I think there's a total of 15 that we've have exchanged. So this is going to be a fun year. And then we talked about maybe every other year not buying and just wrapping them up and then picking a number. and see how it goes this year. But I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Merry Christmas, everybody, and bye for now.